go. I don't go. I don't go home, my little darling. Please don't leave the party yet. Don't go home, my little darling, now that we have finally met. Can't you see I came to the party 'cause I knew that you'd be there. Dance with me and stay at the party so that I can hold you near. Don't go home, my little darling, please don't leave the party yet. Don't go home, my little darling, now that we have finally met. I don't go. I don't go. I don't go home, my little darling, please don't leave the party yet. Don't go home, my little darling, now that we have finally met. Can't you see I came to the party 'cause I knew that you'd be there. Dance with me and stay at the party so that I can hold you near. Don't go home, my little darling, please don't leave the party yet. Don't go home, my little darling, now that we have finally met. Don't go home, my little darling, please don't leave the party yet. Don't go home, my little darling, please don't leave the party yet. I don't go. I don't go. I don't go. It's the sound of the wind, it's the beat of your heart. It is something you can feel, it is something that is real, it's the sound of the wind. It's those bells that you hear when no churches are near. It's a time of real joy, it's a time for girl and boy, it's the sound of the wind. And when it calls you, my friend, to not hear is but to pretend. It's looking for you, only you, and it may not call you again. It's the beat of your heart, saying we'll never part. Then we realize again that our whole life through will spend to the sound of the wind. Yes, when it calls you, my friend, to not hear is but to pretend. It's looking for you, only you, and it may not call you again. It's the beat of your heart, saying we'll never part. And we realize again that our whole life through will spend to the sound of the wind, to the sound of the wind, to the sound of the wind, to the sound of the wind. 1, 2, 3, 4, jolly coachman sat in an English tavern. 4 jolly coachmen sat in an English tavern, and they decided, and they decided, and they decided to have another flagon.
Landlord filled up knowing bowl until it doth run over.
Landlord filled up knowing bowl until it doth run over.
For tonight will merry be,
for tonight will merry be, for tonight will merry be.
Tomorrow we'll be sober.
What?
Here's to the man who drinks dark ale and goes to bed quite mellow.
Here's to the man who drinks dark ale and goes to bed quite mellow.
He lives as he ought to live,
lives as he ought to live, lives as he ought to live, and dies a jolly good fellow. Ha ha ha.
Here's to the man drinks water pure and goes to bed quite sober.
Here's to the man drinks water pure and goes to bed quite sober.
He falls as the leaves do fall,
falls as the leaves do fall, falls as the leaves do fall. He'll die before October. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Here's to the maid who steals a kiss and runs to tell her mother.
Here's to the maid who steals a kiss and runs to tell her mother.
She's a foolish, foolish thing.
She's a foolish, foolish thing. She's a foolish, foolish thing. For she'll not get another. 1, 2, 3, 4 jolly coachmen sat in an English tavern. 4 jolly coachmen sat in an English tavern. And they decided, and they decided, and they decided to have another flagon, to have another